mixing of the cake is very traditional, and I think we want to bring this tradition to Goa and to India because it's a message of love to everyone. Christmas is a special time. It's a time where you forgive everyone, you give gifts to everyone, and we want to start this Christmas with the mixing of the pudding, which is traditionally done all over the world. This mixing is done not for this year, but it is macerated and kept for 1 year, and this pudding will be made next year. So it will be about 500 kilos of cake that we are going to make from this thing, and we are going to distribute to all our well-wishers, friends, families, and everyone. It's in the air, it's the joy is in the air. The feeling is great, it's pompous, and I think we need this feeling more often in our lives as life goes on.
Your message?
Our message is that we are all human beings to begin with, and we need to love each other, and that's the spirit of Christmas. Forgive each other and move ahead in life. We have lots of things lined up. We start off with this mixing of pudding, then we have the Christmas Eve dinner, then we have the Christmas lunch, which is going to happen at our new restaurant, which is a new baby, the Salada Prawns, and lots more activities. We do a lot of activities every day from the beginning of Christmas, that is from 24th to 31st.